In this video, you will see where Meta displays your ad. Now, Meta shows your ad on many places on their platform such as Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, Messenger, and WhatsApp. The place where Meta displays our ad, this is technically called placement. There are many placements like Facebook newsfeed, Instagram feed, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Right Column, Facebook Stories, Instagram Reels, Facebook in-stream video, search results, apps and other sites. But the main placements are Facebook newsfeed, Instagram Reels. Now, if you use automatic placement, that would be the best. Or if you are using Advantage Plus placement, which is recommended by Meta, that would be the best. Meta will push your ads to those places where it thinks the conversions will come from. And if the conversions are coming from a specific placement, Meta will keep pushing the ads in those placements. Therefore, in the beginning, it's best to use Advantage Plus placement and start your campaign. If you have liked the video, put a thumbs up. If you'd like to see similar content on Meta and Instagram ads, follow our channel or subscribe to our channel.